Hello cute children, I hope you all will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a baby axolotl. So for this purpose I will draw a face between here, and side by side I will draw two eyes. So, and now between the circles, but I will fill it later with marker as well. So now I will draw the lower part of face. I will start from here. So be careful. Okay, so from here I have to raise it and so now it's turn to make a upper part. We have to make a round. When it's not round, no problem, because of we are just having fun. Okay, nicely done, but from here I have to make it correct. So face is ready. So now it's turn to make a, like, it's kind of wings that she can use in the water. Okay, there are 3 or 4 I will draw here as well. I will start from here. And here as well I will draw. Three and 4 I will draw here as well, and 1 here as well. Nice. So now it's turn to make a lower body. For lower body I will start from here. Okay, first of all I will draw hands. Okay, so then I will draw from here the other hand, like first, and it's because of its length. So from here I will come and go. Okay, from here I have to raise it and I have to match here. Okay, and now what I have to do more, I have to make a backside tail. Okay, so our drawing is ready. So now I will fill it with marker color and then I meet you after some time. Or so guys, now our drawing is ready. Now we have to just draw it, then I meet you after doing dark. So guys, now I have to color it, then it is ready. So I meet you after color. So cute children's, our axolotl is ready. So now please subscribe my channel, watch full video always, and we meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.